What is an implied metaphor? An implied metaphor compares two unlike things without identifying one of them. A direct metaphor identifies the tenor, the initial idea, and the vehicle, the second concept to which the first is being compared. An implied metaphor does not contain the tenor. Here is an example. At his daughter's wedding, the father's tears were a river gently flowing down his cheeks. This is a direct comparison, tears to river. At his daughter's wedding, a river gently flowed down the father's cheeks. This version removes the word tears, making it implied. Implied metaphors creates vivid imagery and adds another layer of meaning. Implied metaphors can compare people to animals or nature. They can compare people to inanimate objects. And they can compare objects to animals or nature. Songwriters, poets, and authors traditionally use figurative language like implied metaphors to add depth to their work using fewer words.